Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I hope this video finds you well. It's been a long time since I shot anything for numerous reasons. One of these reasons being that I fell ill. Not really ill, but I had to have a little intervention on my foot, which stopped me from working and using my bike altogether, and even walking for the first week or so. It's been a long time without doing anything. Yeah, I just wanted to show what changed since then. Thank you. There was a very nice gentleman by here. Because the spring has started in between my absence, and the vegetation is quite interesting, and another series of changes here and there, starting with this bit here in Montreuil. And luckily we come over families. So yeah, I intended to talk about a small change with a huge impact that happened here in this area, an area I almost come across every day if you watch the videos often. It's about a war between Montreuil and Vincennes, two towns that we've talked about quite a lot on this channel. They're not such good friends these days, and I think I posted something on Twitter earlier, but this specific area where we're going to go in a second has been modified in a way that allows oncoming cars to go to the left, and apparently it's a decision that was not concerted well on either side. I need to understand. And just before I had to stop shooting, another new street here, for refurbishment, I was going to interview several members of the Montreuil side of the association Paris-Ancel. I think it's Paris-Ancel, I hope I'm not mistaken. And yeah, because I wasn't able to move, I didn't do anything. So now I need to make contact with this gentleman and talk about it and see the administrative part of the millefeuille. It is May the 30th. Perfect sunny day. I'm gonna go here. Thank you. I think there's a series of trucks over here. May I go? Je peux passer? Right. I think that motorcycle was allowed behind me, but there's some progress on many of the new buildings in the area. This has been finished, I think. I think it was being painted, repainted. What is it? This building is going fast. Can I go through, you think? I'm gonna try. This happened. And I wanted to show a street I never got to see because I really thought it was like just pedestrians only, and I might be wrong because the signage doesn't say otherwise. It's here. Most of the time we go straight, but this time we're going to the left to see this little arrangement. Well, there's no sign. But this is one of the... Look at the drawings. I'm trying not to go over them, but this looks very Dutch, like something you would see in the Netherlands. I really appreciate it. And there's a little cafe to the right that I saw the other day. Very small, very villagey. They really succeeded in making it feel local and quiet. Oh, that's the college, the high school. High school? Secondary school, where I saw a group of students on Cours de l'Enseigne the other day. And obviously on that day I did not have my camera on me because I don't even know what reason. And I just tweeted at Paris-Ancel Montreuil, and they confirmed that this high school had a program for a group of students to go and enjoy rides in Paris to learn how to, not like this guy. What do I want to show? It's a great morning for deliverers or drivers in general, I think. Oh yeah, coming up as well is a video, the follow-up to the Villiers Forman video. I've been sleeping on it for, well, close to a month, or a little over a month. So yeah, honestly, those 3 weeks were not very enjoyable, and I didn't have the mind to do anything. But the sun is out and it's very enjoyable. Are you not going to let me pass? Got scared for a second because they had tinted glass and sunglasses on. Another new thing, the temporary building shelters, I should call them, that were here before have been removed and or destroyed. I think removed because over the days I saw the boxes were not really being trashed. So yeah, it's more open now. What else is new? The street on our left that we come across sometimes on my videos is almost finished. So we might be able to take it in the following weeks. Because I believe the path is a bit shorter. See, everything that was here has been removed. People were living here. I really don't know the situation. Can't speak to it too much. There's no turn on right here. There's all those elderly people, but not all of them, but enjoying just the fact of being able to walk across the peripheric. I don't think they would have enjoyed it as much on Porte de Vincennes. Oh yeah, so because of the rains that we got, did it rain? I don't even remember. The vegetation at the feet of the tree, oh my god, plurals, as already starting to wilt away, which is unfortunate because it was very beautiful, especially on rainy days. And it even smells of grass, the regular kind. Well, this is going to be wild here. Plant wash gone wrong. I like it. I think you call that nettles. I believe it's nettles. I'm to the left again. I believe I appreciate this path more than... Oh, I don't think I was able to go across it. I enjoy this path more. Plus the chance of encountering a tram is higher. But yeah, I'm growing tired, a little bit tired of Rue de Lagny. So yeah, I'll switch it up in the oncoming month. That's what's so great about commuting by bike. You can change it on a whim. Most times it's circumstances, like the street is blocked for some reason, or there's a traffic jam, and you need to think about how to get to your place, but through an alternate path. And you have to be creative and know your surroundings and look for, solutions. And I love that. And once you figure out an area, all the options open to you when you, for some reason, you get bored, or if at that time of day there's more cars, you can just choose. Like for instance, here in the mornings, like it's in terms of 10 to 11, you see the students here. Imagine when the classes just open, just before reception, like, it's crazy. But now, at this time, it's quieter, so I can enjoy the wider path without disturbing the students. And that's also what I wanted to show. I believe the last times we were here, there were works on the left. Oh, can I go? And I think that finished. The ground has been remade, the ground floor. But you know what I'm talking about. Why can't we go there? Oui, cars, I imagine. Oh, he's installing bollards, the ground bollards the ones you see over there. So we will have to come back to see what that was about. Smell of another kind of grass, but that other kind. It's May and the leaves are already starting to fall. Another thing to watch. I think they've added a yield sign here with the small squares on the floor. Not much change here. Not that I can remember. Oh yeah, maybe they finished the building up here. What am I talking about? What is burnt? I don't even know what happened here. Okay, so maybe the building was finished. Yeah, same old here. Beware the door. Okay. All the racks are almost on the other side of the field. And there's an e-bike shop here. I don't know if we knew. It moved from here to here. And they also sell scooters. So they're e-scooters. Maybe they make scooters too? I don't know. But they do sell cargo bikes and such. And the likes. So. And classic bikes as well. When I say classic, regular. Alright. Nice. Wow. I was going to say, what a nice view, blah blah blah.